do you think? Yeah, what is that? Yes. That big wet nose. Have you given feed to the guys in the back, or are you going to wait to let the monsters here in?
No, I gotta go through my routine.
Because they're ready.
Bye, Juanita. Bye, Pedro.
Yeah. Oh, they're out. Well, there's the good eye. So the other eye is there. Look, Teddy's got two eyes. Welcome to the 10 Acre Woods. My name's Mark, my wife Tara. We are heading out to the barn to do our morning feed. It's been a nice mild week in around the freezing temperature. And it's supposed to, this wind from the north is supposed to drop the temperature dramatically over the next week. So, Merry Christmas and stay warm.
Blow again, too.
Yeah, Tara's been out a couple times snow blowing. So, so this is what it looks like. We haven't seen the sun in probably a week because it's been snowing ever since, just ever so little.
Yeah, you're a little deep here.
Yeah, so, and that blowing north wind doesn't help out too much. I hear a moo.
I'll get
Oh, there goes the string. All right, so Tara informed me that she's made a breakthrough. With Cora.
Let's get right in the corner to see it. Okay. So Cora's poops are now
oh yeah, there's
solid?
Yeah. Oh,
nice.
Looking good, girl. Yes. So, no, I don't have a bottle or anything. And she has now drinking out of a container. No more bottle for Cora.
Let me get it in there, please.
You can't even pour it in. Look at that. Oh, yeah, no, you can't headbutt that to get more milk. You just got to drink it.
I had to screw it down. But this will get rid of the headbutting. Yeah.
Oh,
no, it's in there. No, no, it's in there. Oh, come on. Look.
She's learning.
Oh,
yeah, no more bottle, Cora.
Look, you're gonna suck my finger, and then you put your finger in the milk.
In the milk. There we go. Yeah, just stand back a little bit, so.
Oh, really? At the same time?
Yeah, she's gonna eat and poop. That's the most efficient way to do it. I guess we need you have a paper towel?
No. Got to pick up hay on either side. Can you go eat? What is? You're done? Get out of it!
Now she's still got a little bit in there. She's learning. There we go.
Quick, shut the door.
Yeah. Good girl, Cora. Yeah, get every last drop. So, we were talking about this yesterday. I think she is, we think she's a month old. We'd have to check, but I think it's 4 weeks.
Well, we want to get rid of the headbutting too, which comes from bottle feeding.
Yeah.
So now it's the hand is not milk.
Yeah.
The hand is scratches. Oh.
Oh, that tongue, eh?
I know. She's covered in milk.
Messy eater. Well, you know how kids are. Yeah, that milk, yeah, that tongue. I haven't really noticed, so she is, her head is almost up to the gate. So We'll have to keep an eye on her height, because she's gonna grow without us even realizing it.
I know.
All right.
Hi. Now can I have a kiss? Yeah. No milk in there.
Face wash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, there's no milk there.
All right, so we've got these guys all ready and primed, it looks like. Have you given feed to the guys in the back, or are you going to wait to let the monsters here in?
No, I gotta go through my routine.
Because they're ready. So go back and give grain to the little ones in the back.
Move their bucket. Can't throw it on this. Watch out, Onyx.
Yeah.
Cream one, I better get that before Sheldon comes.
Yeah.
Just gonna move it over.
There we go. All right, so they got their
So
grains.
they don't, just so you guys know, they don't need this at all. This is just keep Blackie because of Blackie's age. So the only one that should be eating it, like, has to eat something extra is Blackie.
Yeah. So we've been feeding Blackie, which is right there in the back. Now this is goat sweet, right? Or 60-30-10. There's a few different names for it. It is basically oats and corn and
Molasses.
yeah, there's molasses mixed in with it that gives it that that nice sweet taste.
So it's half that and half barley.
Yeah, and so they get their little shot, and of course they love it.
Hi, Onyx. That's my sweetheart.
Onyx not so much. She's a simple girl.
Yeah.
Hi.
I was thinking of putting you in with Cora, but then Cora's gonna leave, so.
Cora's a little rambunctious for her, I think.
Ready?
She would start mauling her over. Yeah, okay, so the pigs in Alpaca. We did take the jackets off, so we're going to be putting the jackets on Juanita and Pedro again because the temperature is going to start to drop. So with
We're
the
gonna
mild
do that today?
today or tonight.
Wow.
Yeah, well, I guess before the temperature.
Yeah, if I have you now, then.
Have to check the forecast. Oh yes. Product placement.
Some alpaca. Is it in the right spot?
Yeah.
All right.
No, I hear Petey. There he is. And Piper.
Hi. Yeah, it's coming. Hang on. Yeah.
All right.
Wait for it.
Hopefully everything goes good and there's not any spitting or fighting. What do you think, Cora? What do you think? Yeah, what is that? Yes. That big wet nose. While they are eating, we'll bring out some hay to the animals out here.
Right.
It's like JJ's got her mouth full.
Oh, it's nothing in there. Tiny little hole.
Yeah, there's a small hole here that goes up through the roof where the electrical pole goes through. And it's fine with rain, but when it starts to snow, which is fine, because the pigs love to eat the snow. And since we've kind of closed it off in here, then, you know, they can go and they can eat that snow there. And so it's just, it's good to have some nice. We all like to eat some snow. It's just not the yellow snow.
Well, and it'll be nice when it actually gets to a point where it's freezing. Because
yeah, the alpaca poop pile is a little soft. So, How's Edward? Hi, Edward. So they've actually got a little bit of snow in there too, but there is water in here. It's like we'll probably have to clean that out. They go and they eat and they get their food mixed in with the water.
Well,
don't ya?
I think it's because we have a few extra mouths that snuck in here this winter.
Couple mouths.
The water would be fine, but there's birds in here.
Oh, the birds, yeah. Yeah, there's our birds, the pigeons, and then of course there's all the little wild birds that come in as well. Yeah, they're all looking at the door. Are we done?
Juanita's like, what?
Yeah, we're done.
We're gonna put their jackets on.
Oh, are we gonna put the
Look at
jackets
Pedro.
on?
He's shaking, so we'll put their jackets on.
He's got a little bit of a shake.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll get them all out except those two.
It doesn't matter, they can hang out in there. Well, it might be a little less chaotic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I want to go this way. I want to be with my herd. Come on, Jasper. Out you go. Good boy. Petey. Good. And Java.
Juanita, you're such a like a soccer player.
Yeah, she's playing defense.
I don't know what she did in her past life, but hang on. Okay, just don't open the door.
Hi.
Touch her. Probably bring out the smaller one for her.
Good girl.
Well, it's the difference of holding the neck. You let go of the neck. I said in one of my comments.
You done?
Yeah, I'm done. In one of my comments on Facebook, I said that here, let them out. She doesn't totally lose it. Bye, Juanita. Bye, Pedro.
Oh, they're out.
I had said on Facebook, commenting when somebody had commented on the holding the rabbits upside down. Okay, well you have to. It's how you sex them. It's how you trim their nails, and it's the calmest way to deal with rabbits. Now, in saying that, okay, calmest way in dealing with alpacas is to put them in a headlock. The calmest way to deal with sheep is to put them on their bums. It's less stress for the animal to get things done quicker. You know, I mean, do you have to flip them? Well, no, but you're going to chase a rabbit around for, you know, the next month and a half.
Well, I'm sexing them. So we had 400 rabbits come in that one time.
900 in one year.
400 in the one shot. And of course we sexed them all. And of course you've got to flip them over to look
You
at
have
them.
to push the tailbone up in order to work the genitals out to tell what sex it is. You cannot sex a rabbit, and maybe that's why everybody makes the mistakes.
Yeah.
We get hundreds of rabbits in and people say, oh, it's a female. Well, no, it's a male. You got to work out, you know, and often it's the vets and the pet stores and people who deal with animals who actually mess up the sexing of rabbits. So, no, you can't sex a rabbit by standing on the ground because you'll be chasing it around and you'll never, ever confirm 100% what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's certain ways to deal with certain animals so that it's less stress for them. We're not...
Oh, look. We left one in.
Oh, Petey's always last. I mean, Piper's always last. She
Petey
cleans
already
up
went
the
out.
aisle.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, girl.
She's doing her work.
Time to go.
All right.
Bye. I get the little tidbits.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah. Later.
Come again. And that is why the water gets dirty. Is because we've got the geese in here that are bathing. What are you doing, Gwen? You washing? Glen's over here. Yeah, they've decided to winter here in Manitoba. They were outside. We brought all of the other geese in, geese, ducks, into the other building. But of course, these are wild birds, so we can't lock them up. So they decided to come in here. There's no water there, Gwen. She's going through the motions. Yeah, just dip in. There you go. All right. Okay, guys, enjoy your breakfast. Okay, now that everybody's fed, so of course during the week I head off farm and I work a regular job. I'm a mold and asbestos inspector through Breathe Easy Eco Solutions. And then on the weekends, of course, I make these videos and then do things on the farm. Usually during the warmer months, we have projects going on. But I'm also the rental director at our local community club. So weekends are pretty popular for renting, especially this time of year. People wanting to have their family gatherings, and maybe their family has outgrown their house, or they just don't want to bring everybody into their house. They'd like to rent a facility. So I am now heading down to our local community club to open it up for our renters. Oh, where'd she go? Teddy. Right here.
Teddy. Teddy.
You guys want to see Teddy?
Teddy, look.
Of course.
Hey, Teddy.
So, Teddy has now been, what has that been, a week and a half?
The eye, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Teddy.
Well, there's the good eye. So the other eye is there. Look, Teddy's got two eyes. Good job. Yeah. Oh, she loves her spinach. What do you think, Lucifer? All the cats hang out and watch Teddy sleep. Yeah. So she's got her little hammock. Tara folded over this. Found it by accident, actually.
Yeah.
It was a little long, and she folded it over and made a little hammock.
She makes her little hammock.
Yeah, she can.
It's actually really easy to clean when you do it this way too, with
Yeah.
the towel.
Because you can just pull the whole thing out.
Yeah, you just roll it, pull it out, put a new towel in.
Oh.
Yeah, Nix is
Who's
gonna
that,
like,
Nix? Yeah.
yeah, nose right in.
Oh, what's that?
Leave it to Nix to cuddle.
Yeah. Yeah.
She likes to push her face into the animals. They're
Yeah,
soft.
into the soft fur. And Teddy's got soft fur for sure. Oh, good stuff. So we will be rehoming Teddy. So if you are in the area and interested, let us know. So that's it for this video. Everybody's doing fine here on the farm. Everybody's good, happy, comfy, and all tucked in for the cold weather that's going to be approaching soon.
We're not fine. We're sick.
Well, yeah, Tara and I, and Tiana, she's actually in bed.
Tiana's been out cold for 3 days, and I'm just pushing through, and you were out for a day.
Yeah,
Right?
no, it was, it's been a week of sickness
We don't
here,
get sick in
here in the
years.
human part of the farm. No, we don't get sick at all, but for some reason we got hit by a little bug and knocked us down, but we're getting back up and getting stuff done. Tara just came out from snow blowing, went out there, and I'm going to be going out shortly as well. You know, when you live on the farm, you gotta get stuff done. Anyway, it's the week before Christmas, so I hope you all have a wonderful week before Christmas. And I guess the next video, well, next Sunday is Christmas Day. So hope you all have a wonderful Christmas, and we'll see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.